Hey everyone, it's Vince here. On today's video, I'm starting a new series where I test viral money-making methods here on YouTube. Now you guys know the type of viral videos I'm talking about, the ones where they're promising hundreds if not thousands of dollars per day to use applications or various websites. Now the money-making apps that I've covered here on my channel have never made me more than, let's say, $5 or $10 an hour on a good day, and that's usually by completing surveys. But on today's video, I'm going to be trying out what a creator recommended and give them the benefit of the doubt. Apparently we can earn hundreds of dollars a day on this website and application called SURFE by clicking on advertisements. We can earn money by viewing banner or text ads, pop-up windows, or promotional videos. Let's test out SURFE together and see if this method is actually legitimate or a complete scam. Please hit like to support this new series on the channel. Be sure to subscribe, we're almost at 100k. Let's kick this off. Once you've created your account on SURFE, this is the main dashboard. You can see here that we have a rating system, a speed system, and a qualification system. Underneath that, we have the user account area where you can find your account balance. You can see here that I have 2 cents in my balance right now. SURFE has a 3 cent minimum withdrawal limit, by the way, so that's pretty interesting. Now you'll notice this little banner that just appeared at the bottom of the screen. You can see here that a blue bar is filling up, so already SURFE is trying to generate some money for us. Now how much money we're gonna earn? Check out the balance here, guys. You can see I'm on 2 cents. Now that banner is completed, and I earn literally like, I don't even know, 1/10 of a cent. Who knows there, honestly. But the banners keep on loading up, and the bar keeps on loading as well. So technically we're constantly earning for having banners appear, but it's really nothing to brag about. Now before I go into more detail about the rating system, the speed system, and the qualification system, let me show you the actual watching ad area. So here you can see we have one job available for us to earn, not even 0.000505575 worth of a cent. So yes, nowhere near a cent again. Let's tap start. So then it brings up a YouTube video that I have to watch to actually generate that money. So think of it this way, we're watching advertisements to inflate this YouTuber's view count essentially to earn nowhere near even a cent of USD currency. So already we're off to a ripping start. So now that I'm watching that video, the seconds are counting down here. All I had to do was actually watch the video for 20 seconds. So not the worst thing in the world, but as you saw, we don't even get a cent worth of currency for it. There we go, I just earned my 0.000505575 worth of currency. As you can see, it states that tasks have run out and I should check the extension or the application to see if more jobs are available. That bottom bar is about to finish, by the way, and I've just generated a little bit more of currency there, and a new banner ad has just appeared. As you can see, this is the personal income area, and you'll notice here that I've earned about 1.6 worth of 1 single USD cent at my highest point, and then we earned 0.004 worth of a cent. Now, I'm on Google Chrome, and I downloaded the SURFE extension. You can see here that I can rate the advertisement I just watched, and then I have a few other advertisements to watch as well. So I'm going to visit this website to earn 0.0008505 worth of a cent. Just clicked on the ad then, and then it states that I cannot actually view this website. So again, that's a fantastic situation, but yet the advertisement is still counting down there at the bottom of the screen. So that's pretty interesting. I'm just gonna stay on the website and see if it actually still counts towards my watching of the ad. All right, that's it. It actually still counted. Let's get off this website. So now looking back at the extension again, I can just go, yes, it's all good. Now we can visit another website for 0.0008505 worth of a currency again. And yet again, the website is denied, everyone, but I'm still getting money apparently. So far, it's not living up to the title of the video at all. And I have to say, I'm already feeling I got clickbaited from this creator. But I won't pull the pin on it yet. We'll keep on going here so you can see exactly what you have to deal with this money-making method. All right, so it's almost counted down, and there we go. Completion of the task, and we just earned that currency again. So now our balance is 0.025 cents, everyone. There we go. Getting closer and closer to that minimum withdrawal, by the way. So now I have to visit a website for 10 seconds to earn 0.0004914. Let's do that now. All right, so this website loaded, and it seems to be some sort of maybe Russian site, perhaps, just going off the top of my head there. Profit Center. Okay, this seems legit now, doesn't it? Alright, either way, we've completed the ad. Let's move on. Let me visit this website here. So again, I've been denied, by the way, but it's still counting down the ad. I want you guys to leave me a comment, by the way, on this video telling me what you think of SURFE so far, and if the YouTube creator that I got this method from, it's full of it. Because remember, we're meant to be earning hundreds of dollars per day by clicking ads. And so far, I haven't even earned 1 cent, and I've viewed multiple advertisements. I want you all to place your bets in the comments if you think this is going to pan out well or not. Alright, so now I need to watch a YouTube video. Here we go, guys, again, watching advertisements on people's YouTube videos to actually boost their views, and even give them ad money, by the way. Now it's asking me to do this little puzzle here to tap on the ice cream, so I'll do that now, and that's it, all done. So pretty much, we're like human bots at the moment, literally. Weird stuff, everyone. Let's count down. Let's tap on the watchdog now. Okay, 0.0006237 USD there. So now I've technically reached the minimum withdrawal. Before I do anything else, let me just show you the qualification settings and the speed settings and the rating settings. So I currently have a rating of 8. Which means 8% increase to income. It seems it's based on an experience system, by the way, so the more experience you have, the more rating you earn. Your income depends on your rating. Each rating point increases revenue by 1%. With a maximum rating of 100, you will earn 2 times more. The rating consists of experience points that you get for actions. And here it lists how many experience points you actually earn per action you take. Rating decreases when qualification expires. And here you can see that I have 4 days left of my qualification. If you're asking what is qualification, qualification is a time where your account has an active status. Essentially, qualification is needed to receive income from your referrals and keep your rating. Every 15 minutes you lose experience points equal your current rating. With a rating of 8, you will lose 8 experience points every 15 minutes. Here you can see the methods that we can use to gain qualification points. So essentially, they want you to use the platform as much as possible. If you don't use it, you start to get punished. Simple as that. Then you have speed here. My speed is 1.1 times at the moment. Speed helps you increase your rating and qualifications faster. Speed bonus increases the XP and rating of the time of qualification gained for each action. For example, if your speed is ×2, you get for each banner view not 1 but 2 experience rating. And also not 30 but 60 minutes of qualification. You gain points of speed lasting 24 hours when you get a new referral, or you get points for performing daily tasks and achievements. Let's head over to the achievements area now. So this is the achievement area. This is where SURFE essentially will reward you for completing tasks on their website. So let me click my reward now for 5 videos. I can choose to either gain experience or the 1 hour worth of qualification. I'm going to choose my reward of experience. Thank you very much. Let's agree. There you go, I've just got my experience there for my account. Then we can just keep on collecting all these bonuses here, 25 websites, choose a reward, 810 experience, yes please, done, okay. Now we got 2 cent task completion there. Gonna choose experience again. You guys get the gist of this, right? It's a pretty straightforward system here. Now, since I have the SURFE Google Chrome extension, I'm not too sure what it's doing behind the scenes, honestly, since I've never really heard of this extension before. So you are taking quite the security risk by installing it and giving it the benefit of the doubt now, aren't you? It's always good to be cautious, everyone, alright? Now, if you tap on the Get App section here, you can download the APK straight to your Android device. I couldn't find it on the Google Play Store, which is a little bit concerning. If you are to download the application, it does work pretty smoothly. Essentially, it's the exact same concept if you went on the website or if you use the Google Chrome extension. You can pretty much do all the same things that you can do on those different methods on the application as well. So it does work, everyone. It's just, I don't know, man. This is quite the experience and not what I was told by the YouTube creator at all. You can actually refer people to use SURFE as well, guys, and I suspect that's what the creator was actually aiming for, to try and get as many referrals as possible to their account through their video, and probably clickbaiting everyone. Now, whether or not SURFE is actually going to pay me will determine if I'll leave a link in the description below. So, the moment of truth. Let's go withdraw funds. Now, you can see here I have 3 cents worth of currency. I can only withdraw to Payeer, Web Money, Faucet Pay, Kiwi Wallet, and IO Money Rub, I'm pretty sure that says there. Either way, I'm going to use Payeer USD. And now I have to enter in my wallet. There's a withdrawal fee of 1 cent as well, and I only earned 2 cents. Mind you, everyone, it took literally 3 days to generate that 3 cents. And they're slugging me a 1 cent fee. Alright, so now it says for security reason, we have sent message with further instructions to my account. Alright, everyone, we have a withdrawal link. I'm going to tap on the confirm, and now the withdrawal has gone into pending. Alright, everyone, this is my Payeer account, and yes, it did actually pay me. So SURFE did pay me the Payeer year payment, which I'm actually quite shocked about, to be honest. So where does that leave us though? We got absolutely clickbaited by this creator, and if you ever see this platform being advertised anything more than earning a few cents per day, make sure you let him know that that's not possible, at least here in Australia and in my own experience. Hopefully I saved some people out there from wasting their time with unrealistic expectations with SURFE. I'll be sure to make more videos like this in the up and coming future. This was fun to make. I'll see you all tomorrow for another review.